for the MRT-7 have arrived. The significance of this development is discussed here on Mooring Forum.
The MRT-7 was first proposed as an unsolicited proposal back in 2001, envisioning a light train transit service from North Avenue in Quezon City to San Jose del Monte in Bulacan. It took more than a decade to go through the slow process of gaining approval and implementation. Along the way, the project was taken over by San Miguel Corporation or SMC, which, as the concession holder, is fully funding the construction of the 22-kilometer mass transit system that links up with the MRT-3 and the LRT-1. Groundbreaking rites were finally held in April of 2016, with completion targeted for 2019. But delays, mainly caused by right-of-way issues and need for realignment, pushed back the date of completion and start of operations. But progress continues to be made, and the first batch of trains for the MRT-7 project has arrived from South Korea even as work goes on for the completion of the much-awaited mass rail project. The trains, consisting of 6 cars or 2 train sets procured from South Korea's Hyundai Rotem, have cleared inspection and factory acceptance testing, with the country's national rail manufacturer, Korea Railroad Corporation, serving as SMC's advisor. In announcing the arrival of the trains, SMC President Ramon Ang said the timely arrival of the brand new, high-quality trains from South Korea, known as one of the world's best train and rail system builders, is a welcome development. The arrival of the trains holds a lot of significance, coming at a time when many are feeling uncertain about our country's future because of the pandemic. Ang said this shows that the job of nation building continues, that the work of improving our infrastructure, boosting our economic growth prospects, and investing in our country's brighter future also doesn't stop, especially for SMC. Following their release from the ports, the first of the train sets were immediately dispatched and set on the MRT-7 tracks between University Avenue and Tandang Sora. Over the next few months, more train sets will be arriving until the full fleet of 108 cars or 36 train sets are delivered. At the same time, other railway operations equipment such as those needed for automatic fare systems, communication systems, signaling, power supply, track works, and rolling stock maintenance equipment are also set to be delivered from various countries. SMC reports that the MRT-7 project is more than halfway complete, despite pandemic restrictions and pending right-of-way issues. Ang said SMC and its contractors are working round the clock to meet the first test run by next year. People are eagerly awaiting the formal opening of the MRT-7 so that they can experience faster, more efficient, and comfortable travel, and this even more crucial during the pandemic, when additional transportation options are required to bring people safely to work and back to their homes, Ang added. When completed, the MRT-7 will see a 22.8-kilometer elevated rail transit line with 14 stations from San Jose del Monte in Bulacan to the common station in North Avenue, where it will link with the MRT-3. It is expected to cut travel time from Quezon City to Bulacan to just 35 minutes.
It's been a long time coming, but we're seeing much progress in the MRT-7, and now we're truly approaching the light at the end of the proverbial tunnel as it opens to a train service in Bulacan. That's our Mooring Forum this week, courtesy of Suzuki Philippines.